In the history of human being world construction, it was barren at the beginning. But now, we have parks, high-rise buildings, roads, docks, and other buildings that are so perfect. Is it the Marvel heroes? Or the Black Myth Monkey King? Or the glowing Ultraman?
No! No! No!
The reality is none of them. But everyone here, especially every compatriot engaged in engineering, it is you who are committed to providing better tools and services for engineering construction equipment. Construction machinery plays the most important role in the construction of human civilization. Fulian Machinery Equipment Co., Limited is a factory specializing in the production of crawler construction machinery accessories. It is located in Fulian, China. It has more than 20 years of industry experience. The company's development has experienced changes in business models and products. The only constant is the business philosophy of constantly focusing on product quality itself. We firmly believe that only high-quality products can be continuously needed. Fulian Machinery has a full range of mini excavator chassis accessories, loader accessories, and other equipment chassis accessories. In addition to supporting wheels, tubs, gearings, guide wheels, iron tracks, and other products. It also supplies rubber tracks, hydraulic motors, and other accessories to meet the diverse needs of customers. Fulian Machinery can not only provide a one-stop accessories procurement solution for the majority of construction machinery part suppliers, but also has the ability to support new entrants to the industry to grow rapidly in the industry. Fulian's road department is experienced and has strong design capabilities, and is capable of designing and producing chassis components for professional specific equipment for OEMs. Based on the products, we extend our product consulting services and simple but safe and secure cooperation model, as well as quick response after sales service of less than 8 hours. We have a well-trained service team. Fulian people uphold the values of being a dutiful person and doing things with integrity. We believe that we and our customers are not only partners, but also good friends who can support each other and embrace a better future together. Do you notice the continuous upward trend of the mini excavator and loader market in recent years? Follow Fulian Machinery to learn more about mini equipment chassis accessories and explore a better future together.